Hi, it's Angry Admin here from angrysysops.com, and today we are going to talk about this new ransomware called ESXiArgs. The vulnerability tracked as CVE 2021-21974 is a critical security flaw found in the OpenSLP service of VMware ESXi. The vulnerability allows unauthenticated attackers to carry out remote code execution attacks on affected systems. The issue is caused by a heap overflow, which occurs when the system tries to process excessive data that exceeds the designated memory allocation for the process. As a result, attackers can take control of the affected system, execute arbitrary code, or potentially steal sensitive information, or install malware such as a ransomware. But this is the caveat. As per current investigations, those attacks appears to be exploiting the vulnerability for which a patch has been available since 23rd of February 2021. Yes, 2 years ago there was a patch. Why people didn't patch? I don't know. Why people still on the old system, not support the system anymore? I don't know. What we know is that attacks are primarily targeting ESXi servers in version before 7.0 update 3i. Apparently, through the OpenSLP port, which is 427. The ransomware infects file with the VMXF, VMX, VMDK, VMSD, and NVRAM extensions on infected ESXi servers and generates a .args file containing metadata. This is more likely for decryption. Although the attackers claim to have obtained sensitive information, one of the victims reports on one of the forums that this was not the case in this particular incident. So, guys, this ransomware acts on the vulnerability which should be patched 2 years ago. So, I have only a few points for each one of you. If you're still running the old version of ESXi, upgrade as soon as you can. If for some reason you need to be on the old version, please patch your environment, switch off SSH access, enable lockdown mode, and do not, I repeat that, do not expose your ESXi's to internet. Okay guys, that would be it for today. I hope it was informative. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitter at AngrySysOps, and see you in the next video. Bye.